it's Kate from Wild Tales Of, where we share about family, travel, and outdoor adventure. We hope you guys have been enjoying our Oregon videos. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. We recently took a trip down to the Oregon coast, so we have a big series that we did almost daily videos on our adventures there. So anyway, so we are back in Seattle, and it wasn't today, but the other day, over the weekend, we were on one of our routine walks down in the Madison Park neighborhood. We love visiting a little shore park called the Beaver Sanctuary, and we visit often, and we'll often see ducks, and what else do we see? We often just see ducks and turtles, maybe if it's sunny. But when we were there last, there was so much activity, and it wasn't really enough for like a whole video for that adventure, but I just wanted to show you guys because it was just the coolest thing. You guys, what did we see? We saw heron. That was exciting even then. Slade spotted a beaver swimming around, which we never see, even though it's a beaver sanctuary, but they always kind of keep themselves under the water. So we saw some different types of ducks that we had never seen around there before, but the big show was the eagles. They were swooping around. We saw at least 3 of them. What's that, Bergen?
We saw 2 of them, and then one other crazy one.
Well, we definitely saw 3 birds of prey. We know at least 2 of them were bald eagles. So there's a big bald eagle nest in the golf course close to there. And then there was another bird of prey that we think maybe was an eagle as well. Anyway, it was just really neat. So we'll take you there now so you can see that, and then we will be back. So I hope you enjoyed that and got to see just a little glimpse of how neat that was to experience. Anyway, so today we just finished up kind of our homeschool book work, and the kids and I are on a treasure hunt for Bergen's math class. So Bergen, you have 3 pairs of items and the pairs are the same. The same what?
Same like pin.
So what are they? So you have...
Same length.
Alright, he's going to show us. He's got it here in his handy backpack.
Well, first ones are in here.
So we have 2 Brain Quests. 2 Beverly Cleary books. Exactly the same size or length. Last one is 2 Highlights magazines. So, okay, so where the treasure hunt comes in is that each of us, well, Georgia will be my partner, and Bergen, what it is that we have to go on a treasure hunt looking for something that is exact, almost about the same size as that item. So we each have to go find something. And I thought originally the lesson was supposed to be in our house, but you know, we love getting outside, so I thought this was a good way for us to get some exercise and head outside. Even though it is sprinkling a little, that's okay. All right, so first up we're doing
Brain Quests.
Our Brain Quest. Here we go. Just to keep it a little different, we got to find something the same height this way. Look this way, not up and down. Okay? Got it? Okay, so we just separated with Bergen. He's gonna walk one way around the block and we're gonna walk the other way in searching for our item. And if it's something that you can't pick up, then he'll just be able to show us when we meet up with him. And it's starting to rain harder, so hopefully this will work out.
Size is it?
Let's see. Measure the leaf. Oh yeah. Can you put it on top? There you go. Oh, good. We got ours. Well, that didn't take long. we already found our item, so we're gonna go a little faster and see if we can catch up to Bergen. Hopefully he found something just as easily. Okay, let's see if we can find Bergen. Ready? Hey! Did you find something? Ah, a little sticker stem. Okay, next up is what, Bergen?
The highlights.
Highlights.
I'm gonna give you the older one,
Okay.
and I want the new one.
Okay, which way are we going? Are we going up and down or across? Length or width?
Up and down.
Up and down. Okay. Something
But I'm gonna go
as tall as the magazine.
I found my item.
You found your item. So it's an old dandelion, I think. Okay, come on. Let's go find Bergen. Where is he?
Surprise!
Oh! Okay, did you find something?
Yep.
What is it? Oh, cool. Is that like an old piece of bamboo?
No.
Perfect. Okay, Georgia, show them yours.
Ours are almost exactly the same.
They're similar. Ours is a dandelion. Okay, guys, last one. What do we have? What's next, buddy?
Henry and Beezus.
Not just any Henry and Beezus, Beverly Cleary books that are vintage. Where did we find these?
In the free library.
Cool. All right, which one do we get? Okay, we got Henry and Beezus, and you have Henry and
Quincy.
Okay. What? There we go. Perfect stick. What? Okay, Berg wants us to meet him in the alley in between this block. But we can't find him. See him. Hello. Well, I thought that was pretty fun. Happy to get some more steps in, get some fresh air. And hopefully if you are homeschooling too, or maybe even if you're not homeschooling, if you're at home with your kids, it gave you some ideas on how to change up activities to make them fit the outdoors. Maybe next time, since if it was raining again and we did something like this, we might choose some waterproof items, because Bergen was a little bummed that some of his stuff was getting all wet. But other than that, I think that was pretty fun. And a great way to introduce Georgia to measurement as well. Have a little surprise for the kids, and we are heading there now. You're welcome.
Good.
That's the birthday cake. Well, we're back from our walking adventure. The rain got a little out of control there, so we had to take a break from the camera, but we just wanted to say thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed our video, we'd love it if you could give us a thumbs up and perhaps even subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. We hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are able to get out and have some brave, wild adventures, and...